Hmm. Welcome to Whispers. This is interesting. This is interesting. If one of them is saying this, I guess it's speaking for all of them, for what they think we are. This is what they think of us. Nigeria is too weak to break, says Lamido. Former governor of Nassau of Jigawa State, Sule Lamido, was quoted as saying that Nigeria cannot break because members of the elites are united in preserving their advantages over the masses irrespective of their differences of tribe and religion. However, his postulation may sound believable, but that is just one side of the story. The truth is, Nigeria is about to experience a new move of change. The first move, powered by the APC-led FG, is sweeping the most vulnerable of the society. 2021 will decide what direction the change will be. If the federal government continue with policies that are detrimental to the Nigerian public, like what we're experiencing today, then I assure you that there will be an uprising capable to sweep away this present state of the nation. Yes, the next move will sweep everyone standing in the way of the wheel of positive progress, and like a tornado, it will sweep anyone and anything standing between you and your progress. IPOB is like a moving train. The movement is unstoppable. Just as no one born of a woman can stop a moving train, so is it with Biafra movement to the glory land. And likewise, all the peoples, well, we have the likes of Yoruba nation as well. Nigeria is sad. This is Sule Lamido. Nigeria is sad, and I quote, is too weak to break. Who will break it? The ordinary person in Jigawa, or the ordinary person in Sokoto, or the ordinary person in Bayelsa? Is it the Igbo organizer or the Yoruba woman selling kerosene by the roadside, or the Okada man in Delta? They don't have the capacity to unite because they are burdened by poverty. Yeah, he has just confirmed the weaponization of poverty by the elites. We have taken, we have taken away from them their dignity, their self-esteem, their pride and self-worth, so that they cannot even organize. There you go, guys. Whatever it is they're doing it intentionally. So the key to the masses moving forward is to organize, is to unite. And this has been tested. We've seen the power in this during the EndSARS, because they united and they move. That was the watchword. We move, and indeed they move. They can't even organize. Up there, so they are up there in cloud 9. We elites unite. We will never, allow Nigeria to break, because once it breaks, we will lose. Really? They don't want to lose. But the common man loses nothing. What is he to lose? He is already in hell. He cannot lose anything more than his health. You people put him in your man-made hell. Wow. Who is this? Who? What? Who is this guy? Sule Lamido, former governor of Jigawa State. Ah, wow. Straight from the horse's mouth, precisely. A candid admission that it is the elite who run Nigeria's affairs that has kept the common man squalid, wretched, and in hell, despite the nation's numerous oil wealth. We see the ruling elite quarreling and calling each other bad names, but that's just a game intended to fool the public. In reality, they are quite united in quietly sharing the money and delivering little or nothing to their various constituencies. They have a stake in keeping the country exactly as it is, weak and confusing and easy to exploit. Okay, they are using the colonial masters' tactics of divide and rule. Sole Lamido's statement is a revelation, indeed a big one. It is as if lightning suddenly flashed, pushing aside the darkness and revealing the entire landscape for one brief moment. The season of change is just beginning. You will agree with me that when things fall apart, the center can never hold. Hence, nobody can stop the breaking that is coming. If Nigeria continues to run its affairs like a zoological community, it's not even a zoological community is organized. Everybody knows their function. Like Nigeria is, I don't know, it's worse than a zoo. It is worse than a zoo. There you have it. Nigeria is too weak to break because they intentionally manipulated, burdened the people with poverty. No wonder the educational system is non-existent, the healthcare is gone, social amenities gone, everything is gone. They want to keep the people in perpetual poverty, emotional poverty, financial poverty, spiritual poverty, psychological poverty, poverty in all facets of life for them to maintain their status quo. But a change is coming. A change is definitely coming, and this change will win and they will lose. They will lose. So guys, there you have it. Former governor of Jigawa State, Sule Lamido, is quoted as saying Nigeria is too weak to break. And his reasons are that the masses don't have the capacity to unite because of poverty, because the elites, they've taken away the masses' dignity, self-esteem, pride, and self-worth to the extent that they can't even sit down and organize. But left to the elites, irrespective of the drama they do to deceive us, they work hand in hand, they're united, they are focused. Because they have everything to gain. But in him, in quote again, it said, but the common man loses nothing. He hasn't. What is he losing? He's already in hell. He cannot lose anything more than this hell. We shall see. So, guys, wow. Posterity will never forget this. Wow. So there you have it, guys. Is he right? Will the masters prove him wrong? Time will tell. Until I come your way again. Bye.